Have you ever thought about how drinking water is made safe, how cities control infections, or how sanitation is maintained on such a large scale? Which chemical product plays a silent but critical role in all this? It is stable bleaching powder. Stable bleaching powder is an important industrial chemical known for its strong disinfecting and bleaching properties. It is widely used in water treatment, sanitation, healthcare, and industrial cleaning. Due to its better stability, longer shelf life, and consistent quality, it is preferred for large-scale and institutional applications, especially in a country like India where clean water and hygiene are key priorities. Benefits of the stable bleaching powder industry. The stable bleaching powder industry offers several key benefits. Plays a vital role in public health and disease prevention. Essential for drinking water disinfection. Used in municipal sanitation, hospitals, and sewage treatment. Required in industries like textiles, paper, sugar, and food processing. Year-round demand with non-seasonal consumption. Product has long storage life, reducing wastage. This makes it a reliable and sustainable industrial sector. Demand for stable bleaching powder in India. India has strong and growing demand for stable bleaching powder due to increasing population, urbanization and infrastructure growth, government focus on clean water and sanitation, expansion of municipal water treatment plants. With initiatives like Jeevan Mission and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, demand for stable bleaching powder continues to rise steadily across the country. Government support in this field. The government actively supports chemical and sanitation-related industries through MSME recognition and benefits, promotion under Make in India, support for industries linked to public health and hygiene, assistance in setting up units in industrial zones, clear guidelines for safety and environmental compliance. Since this product supports essential services, it receives institutional and policy-level encouragement. Business opportunities in this sector. The stable bleaching powder sector offers multiple opportunities. Supplying to municipal and government departments. Providing products to hospitals and sanitation agencies. Industrial supply to textile, sugar, and paper units. Participation in government tenders. Expansion into regional and export markets. The industry allows scalable growth, starting locally and expanding to wider markets. Step-by-step startup idea. Here is a simplified startup roadmap. First, market research. Understand local demand and buyer segments. Second, business registration, MSME, GST, and factory permissions. Third, location selection, industrial area with good logistics. Fourth, technology setup, standardized bleaching powder manufacturing process. Fifth, raw material sourcing, reliable suppliers for consistent quality. Sixth, safety and compliance, follow pollution control and chemical safety norms. Seventh, quality testing, ensure product meets required chlorine standards. Eighth, sales strategy, target institutions, industries, and government buyers. Challenges in starting stable bleaching powder industry. Some common challenges include safe handling of chlorine and chemicals, maintaining consistent product quality, meeting environmental and safety regulations, competition from low-quality manufacturers, managing approvals and documentation. How NPCS can help you? At NII, our project consultancy services, we can support your business with 30+ years of experience. We provide our services for the preparation of market surveys, detailed techno-economic feasibility reports, process and technology guidance, regulatory and compliance support, business planning backed by 30+ years of experience. Our goal is to help you start confidently and sustainably. If you found this video useful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want a detailed project report or expert guidance.